In this video, I'll show you how to apply conditional formatting to your Sage X3 screens. Recently, we ran into a situation where a client wanted conditional formatting on their purchase order screens. Specifically, when a purchase order was fully received and fully invoiced, they wanted those two columns to display with specific colors. Let's use a purchase order as our example. Say a purchase order is fully received and invoiced. We want to apply a background style to those two fields on the order screen. This will visually indicate that the purchase order is fully received and fully invoiced using different color codes. Let's see how we can apply special color coding to the received and invoiced fields on the purchase order screen. First, go to the purchasing module, then purchase orders. Let's open a full entry transaction. If you notice, there are two fields, received in full and invoiced in full. Right now, no conditional formatting is applied to this purchase order screen. Now, I'll show you how to apply conditional formatting to these two fields with different colors. I'm closing this purchase order screen. Go to the navigation menu, then to the setup module, general parameters. Here, you'll find conditional styles. Open conditional styles. This function lets us create multiple conditional styles based on our needs. For our example, we need to apply a specific conditional style to the purchase order screen for both the received and invoiced fields. To add a new conditional style, click the New button. We need to add a meaningful code, like PO close. As a best practice, you should follow a naming convention, perhaps starting with Y. Let's add a clear description here. PO received and invoiced in full. Next, we need to add a condition. This condition will determine if the PO is fully received or invoiced. I'll open a bracket here. It starts with FF stands for the table abbreviation, and POH is the table abbreviation code. We need to identify the received field. So, I'll write the field for received. FPOH RCPFLG equals 3. Here, equals 3 means the PO is fully received. I'll repeat the same for invoiced. FPOH.INVFLG equals 3. This means the purchase order is fully invoiced. So when the purchase order is fully received and fully invoiced, I want to apply a style here, back green. Essentially, I want a green color when a purchase order is fully received and fully invoiced. Create and close. We've just created our conditional style. Now we need to apply it to a purchase order screen. To do that, go back to Setup, then General Parameters. Here, we have Conditional Style Assignment. This is where we assign our conditional style to a specific screen. Select the screen code. You can use the search magnifier to find screen codes, titles, and module abbreviations. I'm filtering for the POH1 screen. These are different entry transaction screens. I'm going to apply this conditional style to the ALL1 entry screen. If you notice, it will list all the fields from that screen. I'm going to find our field names, received and invoiced. Yes, there's the field RCPFLG, received. I'm going to apply our conditional style. Click the selection magnifier. You'll see POH received and invoiced full. I'll also find the invoiced one. Yes, INVFLG, invoiced. I'm going to add the same conditional style here. Then, save, close. Now, let's go back to the purchasing module, orders, full entry. Yes, here we go. You can see received in full as well as invoiced in full are now displayed with the conditional format, showing a back green color. This is how you can apply different conditional formatting to any type of screen with different conditions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Sage X3 insights. Thank you.